Hello everyone and welcome to Zeytoon Tuts Plus channel on YouTube. Today we are on the fourth lesson of full stack web developer, and today we want to talk about source codes. First we open our Visual Composer, Visual Studio. We have added this code before. Now we open this and we see this in here. And now I want to add an image. And here we have image. I want to add the logo file. For adding this, we come here and now we save it. When we refresh the page, our logo added, but I want to add some style for it. We come to head, we have added style in here. And here we select image. Then we come and add a weight for it, weight 10%. When we refresh it, the weight got 10%. Now I want to make it align center. For making align center, we add this code. Margin left auto, margin right auto, display block. Now we save it and we refresh it. Our logo has justified in the center. Now I want to add, I want to make this one in the center, in the middle. For doing this, I come here and add, this one is H1. For H1, I make text align center. When I save it, now our text is in the center. Today I want to talk about source codes. I have added these codes and they are all it's using CSS. Up to now we haven't learned CSS. In this course I don't want to talk about everything. I don't want to talk about everything because this course is a glance. We want to learn about web design, about to get full stack web developer, and if you want to learn HTML with details, you can check my HTML course. I add the link in the description. You can go and watch that. For seeing source code, I'm using Chrome. In here we have Visuale Sorgente Pagina because my laptop is in Italian. I see this, but you will see view source code of page, or you can use Ctrl U to see the source code. When we see this, we can see what we have added in our HTML code. We can see this in here. All of this is shown on that page. Like this, we can see every page. Like we go to google.com. When we go to google.com, in here we can see we can see the source code, and this is the source code that Google has. Or we can go to another page. I want to check the source code of this page. I copy all of this, and then here I make a new notepad. And here I paste all the text that I got from Google. Now I save this, save as in the desktop, google.html. When I open this, it will open the Google website, but in here, because the image is linked statically, not dynamic. No, sorry. The image link was dynamic, not static. Because of that, we don't see the image like this. I have added in here. I have added go to image folder, then logo.png. This one is static. This one is dynamic. Every time that I change the URL, the folder should be in there. But sometimes I want to make it static. For this, now I go to google.com and I check. This is the source code. This is the link that I need. Now I go to Notepad and search dot. Now I save it and refresh this page. Sorry. Now we see the image is showing here. From every page that we want, we can get the source code. It's easy, but sometimes when we go further, we will learn how we can hide or how we can block this source code, that no one can see which source code that we have, or which codes we are using in here, the link of the image. Most of the website like Netflix, all files are hidden. You can watch the video, but you can't download the video. That's why, because there is some codes that added in there to deny the access of others to download or view the source. Thank you guys for watching. In the next lesson we will go further.